Hi team, in this video I want to describe what a partial derivative is and work through some examples. Let's get started. Okay, so what is a partial derivative? Well, a partial derivative of a function of several variables is its derivative with respect to one of those variables while the other variables are held constant. Okay, let's look at an example. Let's say that we have f of x and y being equal to 10x squared plus y. And we want to find the partial derivatives of this function. So first let's find the partial derivative for x, and that's going to be equal to the derivative of this function with respect to x. So that's going to be equal to 20x. The partial derivative with, for y is going to be equal to the derivative of this function with respect to y, which is just going to be equal to 1. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's say that we have f of x comma y being equal to cosine x squared y. We want to find the partial derivatives for this function. So we want to find f dash x, x comma y, and we're just going to use the chain rule here to calculate this derivative. So the derivative of cosine is minus sine, and that's going to be multiplied by the derivative of this term here, which is going to be 2x, and that's going to be multiplied by y. So we can end up with minus 2x sine of x squared times y. So we get minus 2xy sine x squared. So this is the partial derivative with respect to x. And we can compute the partial derivative with respect to y. So this term here is essentially a constant. So the derivative of a constant times y is just going to leave us with that constant. So it's just going to be equal to cosine x squared. So there's the partial derivative of this function with respect to y. So in this video, I've described what a partial derivative is and worked through a couple examples. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.